long do we need to keep original documents and how to dispose documents po? Thanks in advance.
Okay. 5 years. Dati 5 years plus soft copy. Ngayon hindi na 5 years lang. How to dispose? Ang pag-dispose po niya, pag linawin natin, ito bang original documents niya may fill up?
Sinabi.
Hindi niya sinabi. Paano kung original receipt yan, di ba? Tapos dinispose niya after 5 years. Yung used original documents. Kasi gaano ka-original, baka walang fill up. Nagiging piloso po mamaya. Di ba? Hindi malinaw. Kung may sulat po yan at i-dispose niya na, gawa lang kayo ng policy. No? Kung corporation kayo, meron kayong parang set cert in accordance with revenue regulation. After 5, i-dispose. Lagyan nyo ng rationale na since the company doesn't see the value of keeping receipts, mga ganun. Diba? How to dispose of documents, pwede nyo pong i-shred.